This strange modern raptor is called the kakapo. This peculiar parrot from New Zealand is a rare find with less than 200 left in the wild. It is not your typical parrot. The kakapo is the world's heaviest and only flightless parrot. It compensates for its lack of flight with exceptional climbing skills, scaling trees to feast on leaves, roots, and seeds. Also known as the owl parrot, the kakapo is a night owl, coming alive under the cover of darkness. But what truly sets it apart is its unique mating call, a low-frequency boom that can travel several kilometers. Conservation efforts are in full swing to protect this quirky creature from extinction. So there you have it, a quick glimpse into the fascinating life of the kakapo. Tune in next time for more strange and unique creatures from our animal kingdom.